Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This evening is an extremely exciting one for everyone in the real estate space. My name is Ruchit Mehta, and I have the utmost privilege to be a host for this evening. Thank you for joining us at the FEDA MCHI KDU Units MyMCHI.com launch evening. FEDA MCHI is one of the premier housing and developers association in India. The FEDA MCHI Kalyan Dombivli Unit is a representative body of progressive developers formed in 2010 and is operating in one of the fastest growing regions of MMR encompassing the Kalyan Dombivli Unit region. In the current global scenario, with the pandemic and ensuing unlock measures across the country, the real estate sector continued to look for a way to end the problems that arose. The between sellers and buyers was ever widening, especially now with the lack of physical experience in the transaction. Here is why FEDA MCHI comes in with a revolutionary digital breakthrough. More on that as the event unfolds. For now, to commence this wonderful evening, may I please request everyone to all rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
This exciting evening wouldn't have been possible without the support of our esteemed sponsors. Our title sponsor for today, Saket Group, Associate Sponsor, Kohinoor Group, Regency Group, and Tycoon Group. The roots of FEDA MCHI Kalyan Dombivli Unit were laid out strongly by our past presidents, advisors, and founding members. FEDA MCHI KDU has fostered growth in this region, helped developers address challenges, as well as facilitated hundreds of housing transactions, thereby becoming a brand worth associated with. This has been made possibly only due to the unity, teamwork, and commitment shown towards the cause by various committees, chairpersons, and partners. Completing 10 years of bringing together the various stakeholders of the real estate sector, FEDA MCHI KDU is adding feathers to its illustrious cap, even in such turbulent times for the real estate sector. And today, as we hear from our committee speakers, we have an August assembly of the biggest names in the industry. As our guests join us today virtually, it will be an August gathering of Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani, Shri Deepak Goradia, Shri Baman Irani, Shri Rajan Bandekar, Dr. Vijay Suryavanshi, Srimati Vinita Rane. We also have our keynote address by Shri Karthik Rajaram and our eminent speaker, Advocate Harshad Barbade. Join us for an interactive session, so stay tuned for the insights. And now I would like to request Mr. Akash Lakhija to take the proceedings forward and introduce our touch bearers for the MCHI KDU.
Thank you, Ruchit, for this opportunity. My name is Sahil Badija, and I am utmost privileged to be your co-host for the evening. So, without further ado, to shed further light on FEDA MCHI Kalyan Dombivli Units, recent achievements and activities, we have the man who believes in leading from the front. Talking to us in the evening about the importance of MCHI KDU, can we please have Mr. Vikas Jain, Honorary Secretary, FEDA MCHI, Kalyan Dombivli unit to speak a few words. Over to you, sir.
Good evening. To dignitaries present on and off the dais, chairperson, committee members, developer friends. It gives me immense joy and pleasure to be here among all of you guys, reunited again despite the global scenario. The value and importance of human interaction holds has never been clearer, and today is another example of that. We have grown from 84 developers to 200 developers being members of CREDAI MCHI Kalyan Dombivli unit today, thus creating mutual respect in developers' fraternity. Creation of CREDAI MCHI has been instrumental in unifying the interests of developers as well as addressing issues a more centralized manner, taking a collective approach towards things, thus fostering the growth of Kalyan Dombivli. Synergy brought by CREDAI MCHI KDU has resulted in some crucial wins for developers. I'd like to share some. Until 2018, the open land tax imposed on developer was under construction property was 6.5% per annum, which we were able to bring it down to 2%. Until 2011, staircase premium was being charged at 100% rate, which was very high. CREDAI MCHI KDU represented this issue to KDMC Commissioner and Mayor, and we were able to bring it down to 40%. Owing to the outbreak of COVID-19, there was a significant disruption of cash flow. Our unit has done representation to Commissioner Kalyan, KDMC, for deferring payment on development charges and premium. KDMC has granted relief for 2 years by rescheduling payment in tranches of 40, 30, 30. CREDAI MCHI has implemented several CSR, like we have installed camera public address system at Kalyan railway station. On the line of Swachh Bharat mission, CREDAI MCHI started Clean Kalyan Dombivli City campaign. Beautification of road medians and islands have been undertaken by CREDAI MCHI KDU. CREDAI MCHI launched Mission Zero on 13th August 2020 with an objective to conduct area-wise free COVID antigen testing. All the credit goes to our long-term vision laid down by our founding members, past president and current president Shri Shrikant Shitoleji. CREDAI MCHI KDU has been an identity of pride and respect. CREDAI MCHI KDU is one of the rising star in CREDAI MCHI chapter. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Vikas sir, for shedding light on the progress. Next up, we have the man responsible for bringing about the change, known for being unfazed in the face of challenges and tackling them head on. Sharing his vision on Kalyan Dombivli units and putting a message across to the entire real estate fraternity to be a part of it, and welcoming all our dignitaries joining us today for the Zoom. May we please have Mr. Shrikant Shitole, President, CREDAI MCHI Kalyan Dombivli unit, to share a few words. Over to you, sir.
Good evening, friends. Chief guest, Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani ji, our guest of honors, Shri Deepak Garodia ji, Shri Baman Irani ji, Shri Rajan Bandelkar ji, Dr. Vijay Suryavanshi ji, Srimati Vinita Rane ji, our eminent speakers, Shri Karthik, Advocate Harshad Badbade. On this occasion of inauguration of portal launch and online exhibition, mymchi.com, I would like to welcome all the dignitaries present here for this ceremony. With the launch of this portal, we are creating history in the historic of Kalyan Dombivli. The twin cities are major transit point for North and South India, Kalyan being a major central railway junction. From connectivity and infrastructural development perspective, Kalyan Dombivli is emerging as a most significant destination as a growing city in India. Presently, we are blessed with Urban Development Minister Shri Eknath Shinde ji and Housing Minister Shri Jitendra Awad ji from our own Thane district, which can definitely pace up infrastructure and housing development in this region. Just like Thane witnessed growth in 2000 to 2010, Kalyan Dombivli shall witness enormous growth in coming decade of 2020 to 2030 with the transit-oriented and city-oriented focused development taken up by our government. We are really thankful to all of them for such great initiative. CREDAI MCHI has always been on the forefronts in every aspect related to the industry in this region. We are celebrating 10 years of togetherness and commitment towards industry. Our secretary, Mr. Vikas Jain, has briefed our achievements in last decade by our unit. Through our portal launch and property exhibition, we have taken up innovative initiative to create a digital platform for developers and consumers wherein supply and demand are catered at one destination. Our portal will also play an important role of facilitator of information related to policy issues, redressal forum, procurement module, support roles of issues of members, training to members and their personnel, sales and marketing platform, etc., which shall significantly add value to your routine business. This portal has taken up Kalyan Dombivli on the world map through digital arena. I would also like to say a few words for our dignitaries present over here. Our Commissioner, Shri Vijay Suryavanshi ji, Mayor Srimati Vinita Rane ji have always been supportive and are laser focused on the development of KDMC area. COVID has been a very critical situation for all of us, but we salute Suryavanshi ji and Vinita Rane ji and their whole administration for commendable work done by them for the city. Sir, Niranjan sir, and guest of honors present over here, our KDU MMR region is one of the most aspiring region for the growth in MMR with right ticket product and highest and fastest moving inventory. It is being known as affordable housing destination. Kalyan Dombivli is surrounded by various MIDCs, one of the biggest logistics hub in India, Bhiwandi. Government has also planned second BKC as growth center in our region, which shall witness robust growth in this region in upcoming years. Niranjan Hiranandani ji, Deepak Garodia ji, Baman Irani ji, Rajan Mandelkar ji, you are all are amongst the top developers in our industry and are an inspiration for all of us. Taking opportunity from this dais, we would like to invite you to develop projects in our region which can add value to our city as a whole. What to say about Karthik? He is one of the key persons in India to bring revolution in sales and marketing of our industry. He has brought in a paradigm shift for entire real estate industry. He has set new rules of sales and marketing for our industry. Janamdata of code name and larger launch concepts are being done by Karthik. He has been one of the key persons in the growth story of Lodha Group that we all know. Advocate Harshad Badbade is one of the greatest and sharpest minds in law. He has made significant contribution and was instrumental in smooth formation and implementation of REACT. Harshad ji always gives practical solutions to the problems of our industry. Today, we are blessed with August gathering for our inaugural ceremony. This is a great moment for our unit. I would like to thank from the bottom of my heart to my colleagues of Managing Committee, our past presidents and Exhibition Committee, especially Mohit Boir, Jayesh Tiwari, Rohit Dikshit, Ravi Patil ji, Arvind Warak, Milind Sawan, Saket Tiwari, Rahul Kadam, and Secretariat team, Mrs. Jalaja, Shri Rajan Balsaraf, Mrs. Rashi, Shri Ameya, for their tireless contribution in setting up the portal of our unit within a record time. Also, I would like to thank Mumbai MCHI Secretary, Mr. Pritam Chivukula, Mr. Satish, Mr. Joseph, and also thank to all the agencies, particularly Mrs. Rialate, Mrs. Kites United, Mrs. Mactronics, and all other agencies involved in this task. We have also initiated youth wing of our unit. I would like to tell our members to get their children enrolled in our youth wing, where one can get greater opportunities for the growth and appropriate exposure for their bright future. With these few words, I would like to end my speech thanking you. Thanks a lot to all dignitaries present for our ceremony. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Shrikant sir, for those inspiring words. Next up, we have Exhibitions Committee Chairperson, the man of the hour, Mr. Mohit Boir, talking about the unwavering efforts of him and the team put together to put the star of the evening, mymchi.com. We welcome him with a resounding round of applause. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Hello, everyone. I welcome you all on behalf of the CREDAI MCHI Kalyan Dombivli unit. It's a matter of great pride and pleasure to celebrate our 10th anniversary with a refreshing approach. Friends, the world around us is changing. So should our approach towards our marketplace. In recent times, we all have noticed the growing influence of digital space in our business, and combined with government's Digital India agenda, our Kalyan Dombivli unit has decided to go digital. CREDAI MCHI is an association of developers by the developers and for the developers. In its endeavor to add more value, it has taken a step further by introducing mymchi.com, its own property portal. MCHI has always been known for organizing the best property exhibitions. And this year, with this digital mindset, we are going ahead with online exhibition, which offers more than 150 developers from the Kalyan Dombivli MMR region to showcase their projects on a common platform. The key feature of the portal is that a buyer and the developer can connect on real-time basis through Zoom call meetings, which accelerates the buying process up to a great new level. The buyer, on the other hand, gets a trusted backing of a reputed body like CREDAI MCHI. This is a pioneer move by our unit. The live interface created by Zoom call meeting between the buyer and the developer facilitates getting genuine leads and in turn, reducing the conversion window of the purchase decision. This ensures that all the parties involved, including the government bodies, witness a faster economic rolling. The properties listed on this portal will be displayed throughout the year. Here, we plan to hold 3 such online expos round the year centered around festive seasons that marks a spike in consumers' property buying decision. To strengthen this platform further, in coming phase, we plan to add certain features to this portal, which will serve as a source of information to all the involved developers with access to information like government GRs, information from revenue departments, and regular updates on High Court and Supreme Court decisions, etc. Each member would be provided with a login ID and password, so he can access all the information just with a touch on his cell screen. Further, we plan to add auto DCR facility in tune with the updated policies of the KDMC, making the portal a true ease of doing business tool. This is an overwhelming journey, which would not have been possible without all of you. Hence, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the committee members and past presidents and my team members. I would like to extend warmest words of honor to our Honorable Mayor, Mrs. Vinita Rane, and our Honorable Commissioner, Dr. Vijay Suryavanshiji, for showering the blessings. Special thanks to Sri Shrikant Shitoleji, our President and Chairman of Tycoon Group, under whose guidance and vision for this MMR region we are working. I would like to thank the President of our parent body, MCHI Mumbai unit, Shri Deepak Garodia ji, Chairman of Dosti Group, who has always been a guiding force to us. I would like to mention the warmest support extended to us every time by Vice President Naredco Shri Rajan Bandalkar ji of Ronak Group. And I would like to express our gratitude to Shri Baman Irani ji. Friends, it's a great honor today to have Shri Niranjan Hiranandani ji, National President Naredco and co-founder and Managing Director Hiranandani Group, with us who has been a pillar of support right from the day of inception of this unit, exactly a decade ago. It's no less than a thrilling moment for us that after a decade of journey, we are receiving his blessings for a new digital venture. And finally, a special thanks to our eminent speaker, Karthik ji, and Advocate Harshad Bhadbede ji. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for reiterating the thought of how digital is the new world. I would now like to hand over the dais to Ruchit to carry forward the event. Thank you.
Next up, we have with us a veteran leader of the industry, a trendsetter and a guiding light in the troubled times, Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani, co-founder and managing director at the Hiranandani Group, has successfully created one of the household names in the housing industry. He has accredited with the title of the man who has redefined the skyline of Mumbai. With signature and marquee projects, the Hiranandani Group has made its mark as an industry leader and created a league of its own. Without further ado, it's time to hear from one of the most charismatic figure in the real estate sector, someone who I have been looking up as my inspiration, and with utmost pleasure. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our chief guest of the evening, Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani. Over to you, sir.
I am so happy to be here with you. After 10 years, my God, I was just trying to recall the time when I had come for the inauguration. And really 10 years have passed and Kalyan has developed so beautifully since then. And my heartiest congratulations to each and every one of the 150 developers who have really got together in order to build this entire thing beautifully. Vinita Rane madam, फार छान आहेत की आपण पण आज आमचे संगाती आहो आणि एकनाथ शिंदे साहेबांची जे लीडरशिप राहिलेले आहे आमचे हे एरियामध्ये ठाणेमध्ये ते मध्ये आम्ही त्यांना सलाम करतोय आणि रिअली आम्ही खुशी आहेत की आपण आज उपस्थित आहोत. Dr. Suryavanshi has been a collector of Alibag in Raigad district, and the kind of development that he did there, similarly, the wonderful work that he is doing in Kalyan really needs to be complemented, especially to be able to handle the COVID situation so aptly. जान है तो जहान है और उसके बाद ही हम घर खरीद सकते हैं. तो Dr. Suryavanshi, thank you very much for actually looking after the entire COVID situation and the other parts of it. And now we will look forward to help for the real estate industry. And as already been mentioned, a lot of things have been done by you and the polity. And we look forward to more in order to develop the Kalyan, Dombivli and Ulhasnagar area. My friends and colleagues, Deepak Garodia, wonderful to have you over here. Maharashtra CREDAI, this is your day, and I'm really happy to join you. Boman Irani, wonderful to be here. Rajan Bandelkar, and all three leaders in the real estate field now doing wonderfully well in Dosti Group, in Rustamji Group, Ronak Group, have really made a mark of themselves and have been contributing so much to CREDAI, to Naredco, and to the other organizations have done such a wonderful job. We have to compliment each one of them because they have sacrificed. And that is the most important part of it all. When you work on associations, you give back to society because there is so much importance in order to see that the collective industry should develop. The most important thing, according to me, in the Kalyan Dombivli area is going to be infrastructure. Because with infrastructure, we will be able to take this region forward. There is already a lot of industry which is available. Connectivity in terms of railway is already available in terms of railway line. But ultimately, if infrastructure is developed in terms of roads, in terms of hospitals, in terms of other activity, I think the development in this area can go multiple fold over there. My heartiest congratulations to each and every one of you. Shrikant Sitole, I'm so happy that you have taken up this issue forward. I want to record my compliments to you for the work that you did for plantations, for doing for the environment, and the step that you had taken along with all your members for the purposes of plantation of trees that you did. It is actually very, very complimentary. And I want to thank you once again for that, which you have been doing for the last couple of years, last 3 years. I know a lot of plantation work and other things, leadership, you and the rest of the members have taken up in the Kalyan Dombivli area. What we really need to do now, all the members over here, is to build up a credibility. The real estate field is a good industry, not a good industry, very good industry. Roti, kapda, makan. मकान, रोटी और कपड़ा तो देश में मिल जा रहा है, लेकिन लोगों को मकान नहीं मिल रहा है. And Kalyan Dombivli area is a good place to do affordable housing. With the Prime Minister's project in terms of PMAY scheme, and lots of you in the Kalyan Dombivli have been taking advantage of that with interest subvention of 3%, and the other part, which is more than 15 years, and the other aspects of approvals and others, which is on rapid fire. I think you will be the right area wherein you will be doing, not only giving shelter, but doing service to society, giving back to society, which people will remember you forever. So any good work that you do, which you are doing, I must compliment you and the entire committee over here. The wonderful part of it is the challenge which you have taken. When we always used to have exhibitions, and physical exhibitions were the part of the day, and you have been also conducting those physical exhibitions. You are not worried about COVID. You have taken the challenge. And that is the wonderful thing that you have to adapt to the latest situation and meet the challenge of today. So I must congratulate you for working on these ideas and how to do innovation. Of course, in both two aspects of it, I am not as good as Karthik. Karthik will tell you better in order to see how the marketing is to be done. You have got the right person over here from Xanadu. They've been doing a wonderful job, especially in the case, he led the entire team over there in the case of Loda. And now he's set up an independent organization, which is wonderful and doing a wonderful job. So best wishes. You have got a right person to advise you as to how we can market our industry and individual projects and do it better. Harshad is a wonderful advocate. I had a great pleasure of working with him during the time when RERA was getting set up, and he set the entire thing with great credibility, honesty, and integrity. Not every advocate can have all these plus points that you have, Harshad Bhai. And I thank you very much for all the cooperation that you have given to our industry. You have set up a sterling quality of going the right way and still winning cases for the industry in terms of it. Your leadership in the legal field is recognized by all of us all the time. And I thank you very much also on my behalf of you coming for the industry. So I think it's a wonderful day. After 10 years of me getting interaction with Kalyan Dombivli Ulhasnagar unit, I'm delighted to be over here. I promise you one thing, that the next 2 years will be wonderful years for real estate. But we have to work for it. You cannot take it for granted. We will have to work with the government in order to see that the issues that we have get sorted out. We have to work with the banks and financial institutions. I got some good news just 2 days ago. Kotak Bank has now reduced the rates even from 6.9 to 6.75 in the last 3-4 days. I don't know where it is applicable and not, and with interest subvention being what it is, you can even take more benefit of that. So with the financial institutions, with the government, we are together working on the government in order to provide some more respite. And the amount of leadership role taken up by CREDAI has been extremely proactive, positive, and done wonderful work. They have worked with the Deepak Parekh committee to produce very good results. the initiative taken by them in the leadership have provided for this stamp duty reduction, which is now down to 2%. And I think you should be able to encash this time in order to do so. So I wish you, each and every one of you, the best of luck and best wishes from me and the entire thing. And my respects to Mrs. Vinita Rane and Dr. Suryavanshi for participating with the developers in your area. And I hope you will be able to give us blessings and help us to set up better and more beautiful infrastructure, which I think with the leadership of Eknath Shinde, recently also got a lot of funding from Germany, from German government for the 4 and 4A railway, metro railway going to Thane, just came out 2-3 days ago. I'm sure you will get additional funding through his good efforts in the case of Kalyan Dombivli redevelopment in many ways. So wishing you all the very, very best today and forever. And hope you will call me again after 10 years or if not earlier. Thank you so much. Wish you all the very best.
Thank you, sir, for sharing those pearls of wisdom with us. And now, may I kindly request you to make the most important announcement for the day. The important announcement for the day by launching the portal.
Yeah. I am pleased to announce that even in the COVID times, MCHI KDU continues to evolve and innovate. With much pride, I announce mymchi.com hereby launched. Can we have a look at the AV?
The MCHI Kalyan Dombivli unit has been bringing the best practices in real estate to the forefront for a decade now. In this ever-evolving market, here is another one-stop solution for all things real estate in the MMR, Kalyan and Dombivli region. Presenting mymchi.com, a property portal with more than 150 projects from 100+ reputed developers in Kalyan Dombivli and MMR. Designed to help find ideal real estate solutions with a detailed developer's profile and filters like property configurations, locations, type of property, both residential and commercial, rates and RERA number among others to aid the process. mymchi.com is also developer oriented as it helps connect with prospect buyers. With an intent form that helps generate genuine inquiries that are OTP verified. This festive season, we bring both the developers and buyers together as we present the first ever online property expo by CREDAI MCHI Kalyan Dombivli unit. Buyers register themselves to enter the expo and browse through properties. Developers get a platform to showcase their projects with relevant pictures, accurate details, and RERA number. Excessively promoted across different mediums. The online exhibition brings convenience of browsing and transactional ease for both parties. The portal also serves as a unique platform to interact among developers as well as regulatory and government bodies on policy matters. Along with providing a safe space for buyers, the platform is perfect for developers to reach out to prospect customers. A new developer can become a member by applying online with registration fees and paying yearly maintenance via My MCHI portal along with promoting their organization and other related activities. MyMCHI.com is the perfect digital breakthrough in this trying time for the real estate industry.
With the world going digital, the shift in the real estate sector is palpable. CREDAI MCHI KD unit is the first mover of going digital. Here's representing you the newest feather in the illustrious cap of CREDAI MCHI KDU, mymchi.com, a revolutionary digital portal where all key stakeholders from the real estate sector come together under one roof, namely the developers, customers, the regulatory bodies, and the government bodies to facilitate the growth of the sector. The Digital Property Expo, first of its kind by any CREDAI body, will be buyer-friendly and developer-oriented. With us this evening, we have stalwarts from the industry, and our next speaker is another leader who has been striving hard to achieve the objectives of the industry. Leading the Dosti Group from the front, Mr. Deepak Goradia has been instrumental in shaping the real estate sector in the MMR region and shape-shifting it has gone through. Currently serving as the president of CREDAI MCHI, Mr. Deepak Goradia is widely respected and renowned names in the real estate circles. He is a visionary who believes in the only constant is change and is responsible for sending ripples across the real estate industry with his innovations and revolutionary practices. Talking to us this evening about KDU as a pillar to the extended MMR region, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome with a round of applause Mr. Deepak Goradia, our guest of honor for the evening. May I request you to speak a few words, sir?
Thank you, Ruchit. First of all, congratulations on the 10th anniversary CREDAI MCHI KDU. I remember visiting on the inauguration day along with Niranjan Bhai on 10th on the inauguration of the first unit, Kalyan unit. And the 10 years passed and recollect the memories of a journey of 10 years and how the Kalyan has grown, how the market has grown, how the developers of Kalyan from what 10 years before and now. It's a wonderful, wonderful. Congratulations to the CREDAI MCHI KDU unit on the 10th anniversary. Secondly, congratulate again to the Mr. Shitolaji and the entire CREDAI MCHI Kalyan team for the first virtual portal, mymchi.com, and inauguration of 10th online exhibition expo. This is the first time among CREDAI MCHI, the entire all units that you initiated the things, and you're the first one, as Ruchit rightly said, the first one to started with the portal, first one to started with the virtual exhibition. I really compliment the entire team, exhibition team, and Shitolaji for really able to do it very much in time as the market has just started picking up. The thing is, thanks to Government of Maharashtra for reduction of stamp duty. And then since pandemic time, we have been fighting and trying to resolve the issues since April to July, till we were not able to move out, not able to move anything. There was totally depression among the developers, how to do, what will be the future, this and that. And because of change in stamp duty by Government of Maharashtra since August onward, the market has started picking up, market has started looking at, developers have started marketing, and at site we see the various lot of inquiries have gradually started generating. Conversion is also happening. There is a lot of positivity in the developer's mind and things have started moving positively. So this is the right time for you to announce the exhibition, right time for us to properly launch it and reach to the end user buyer and reach by the virtual with the help of technology. And with this concept, your exhibition team has done a commendable job that you have been able to the first one to announce and first one to reach the exhibition, and right time you will be able to encash the benefit of positivity in the industry. Kalyan Dombivli, as Niranjan Bhai has explained and everyone in the team has explained, the location, position and the best of the infrastructure, the affordable housing. It is a right place, and today's market, the sentiment for affordable housing, sentiment for the centric location has really will play a big role. Kalyan Dombivli will lead to the transition of the real estate industry from the pandemic to the next step further. This exhibition will be definitely opportunity for all developers to present the product, and will be opportunity for the customers to visit online and see, select the property and finalize a deal. This is a wonderful initiative done by Shitolaji and the team. As a CREDAI MCHI president, I welcome and thanks Mrs. Vinita Rane, Mayor KDMC, Dr. Vijay Suryavanshi ji, Municipal Commissioner KDMC, Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani, Baman Hirani, President-elect, Rajan Badedkar, MD Ronak Group, and other dignitaries on the dais. You have a wonderful presentation expected coming from Guru of our industry marketing point of view, Karthik. He will be able to give us the best and how we really able to successfully market the product. And this will be a good learning for everybody in the industry to take the things further. Overall, reduction of stamp duty. As Niranjan Bhai said, the Kotak Bank has reduced the home loan rate, reduction of home loan rate, and developers giving a various marketing schemes, which has really led to a good attraction from the end user buyer. And this end user buyer we could see in last 2 months, and this trend will continue. And we do see the scenario that this trend will take us not only to this quarter, third and fourth quarter of the year, but it's going to continue for a good time. So whatever we have learned from the COVID, this now people have realized having a house and having own house, that has really worked into that buying a house. And from that perspective point of view, things have become very positive. Let us, we expect that things will move better in the coming front, and we wish the participants of the exhibition all the success on this exhibition, and take the things further. Thank you. Thank you very much.
So for sharing those inspiring words with us. With us, we have another stalwart from the real estate industry gracing us with his presence, leading one of the most renowned groups in the real estate sector with innate leadership skills. Mr. Baman Irani has turned Rustomjee Group into one of the top choices for the buyers to turn to. Evolving and constantly innovating, setting the ball in motion at Rustomjee Group, he has forged a path for the industry to walk on. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome with us a thunderous round of applause, President-elect CREDAI MCHI, Mr. Baman Irani, our guest of honor for the evening.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. First of all, a hearty congratulations to you, Shrikant. Fantastic move, 10 years, and you've announced, this My MCHI portal, which will really launch you guys into the next level. They say change is the only constant, and those of us that keep changing will keep evolving, will keep growing. So towards that, hearty congratulations to your entire team. Mohit, I think a big responsibility on your shoulders. I wish you rock it, because you young people are the ones we turn to nowadays to get answers to all the age-old problems that we had. The whole world is going digital. And over here, I just want to say that we've got to find more and more ways of keeping in touch, whether it is with our own members, whether it is with our customers, whether it is with all the agencies around us. Digital is the way to go. We save time. Technology helps us to save money. And if you can just convert this entire exhibition, which we are hosting right now, into a digital one and make it a success, do you even understand the power of what has been done? You would have in one single stroke gone from being just an association, an organization that guides developers, to becoming the absolute interface between a developer and a buyer. And who knows what else can come out of this. So my heartiest congratulations and my best wishes to the young team leading it. And Shrikant, to you for pioneering this entire thing. With your 200 plus members, I think you will, knock this ball out of the park. You guys are in for something big, and I look forward to it. Niranjan Bhai, your words have always been supercharging. You seem to be at the center of everything. You never lose touch. It was only yesterday that you were responsible for the launch of this unit. And I think Rajan and Deepak and everybody at that point of time were there. And our first president, I see Bandish has just joined. So Bandish, you must be feeling like a proud papa. Super happy today to see this unit grow to 200 members and grow to this strength. On your 10th anniversary, having your municipal commissioner grace the occasion, Mr. Vijay Suryavanshi, Dr. Suryavanshi, we would be thankful to you if you did time and again call us as CREDAI MCHI, the Kalyan Dombivli unit. Whenever you're taking any decision with regards to city, please bank on our knowledge banks. Please bank on our ability to bring the best to you. Please appreciate that we are the most ingrained for your development, for the development of the city in all. We build the landmarks that will build the tomorrow of the Kalyan Dombivli area. Mayor, Mrs. Vinita Rane ji, I understand from all that I have heard, you've been a great support to everybody at Kalyan Dombivli, CREDAI MCHI, and for that I thank you. I congratulate the entire the vision that has been set forth. I am looking forward to hearing Rajan. I'm looking forward to hearing Karthik, who's a dear friend, as well as someone who's like really taken off and done things so differently from the rest of us. I'm also looking forward to hearing Mr. Harshad Barbade and hearing what he has to say with regards to legal. Law has become such an important and integral part. We cannot afford to ignore it. I would say congratulations to the youth wing and Shrikant over here. Again, I can tell you at CREDAI National as well as CREDAI MCHI, youth wing is one of the most powerful member body. And I would also encourage you to start a women's wing if you don't already have one, so that you can have the support, as well as the women today are playing such an integral part in everything we do. It is more important to get them involved in the business, take their point of view, accept what they have to say, and keep them shoulder to shoulder with us, because in them lies our strength. And in them, we will see growth for the future. So with that, once again, a big thank you for welcoming me here today, and my heartiest best congratulations and wishes to all of you to really rock this. I look forward to your success, for taking a leaf out of here and making this a unit, making this a chance for all of us at CREDAI National also to learn, and CREDAI MCHI also to learn. So hey, best of luck and best wishes.
For your encouraging words. This evening is made possible because of our sponsors. Our title sponsor for the evening, Saket Group, is a reputed and a leading name in the developer circle for Kalyan, Dombivli and MMR regions. Not only that, it remains a buyer's top choice. May I request Mr. Saket Kumar Tiwari from Saket Group to come and shed light on the upcoming projects by Saket Group in the Kalyan, Dombivli region. Over to you, sir.
Good evening. Thanks, Ruchit. Respected dignitaries, dear developers, and dear viewers. Digital presence is the need of the hour in the current scenario. A strong online presence allows you to build your brand, gain credibility that attracts more customers, and which makes your business more readily accessible. Online presence gives you customer an easy access to know you more and your offerings. CREDAI MCHI Kalyan Dombivli unit has made this possible for all the developers by being digitally present through mymchi.com. Kalyan Dombivli MMR region is today the most preferred choice of customers, where products are available at an affordable price. Major brands have the presence in this region, and many are lined up for the presence with new launches. The realty market of this region has shown a positive trend in the current scenario. We are witnessing all this primarily due to an affordable price product, better amenities, and connectivity. Kalyan Dombivli is getting upgraded with excellent connectivity, expansion of existing roads, new bridges, and nearby infrastructures. Upgraded civic amenities and better facilities is making Kalyan Dombivli most preferred destination by customers. The real estate market of Kalyan Dombivli MMR region is witnessing an year-on-year positive growth, and we estimate better price appreciation in years ahead. Longest 21-kilometer flyover from Airoli to Kalyan via Palava. Proposed growth center by MMRDA. Multi-modal corridor from Alibag to Virar. Metro Line 5, Thane Bhivandi Kalyan. Metro Line 12, Kalyan to Taloja. All are this prospective proposed development of this Kalyan Dombivli MMR region, which would make more customer attract to this region. We from Saket Group, we have a 3 decade of existence in Kalyan. We have presence in real estate and education. We are 3rd generation entrepreneurs. We are coming up with a landmark project in Kalyan and the destination to be. The project is planned after market analysis and research. This landmark project should be the buyer's first choice. Affordable price offering in comparison to the international brands that are tied up with the project makes customer its preferred choice. Connectivity to educational institutions, workplaces, malls, and at a walkable distance from Kalyan railway station makes the project a perfect landmark for home buyers. The project is strategically developed, keeping in mind the proposed infrastructure development of Kalyan Dombivli MMR region. The project is a 6-acre township with 1,000 plus community living, expanse of greenery, smart living homes, and world-class indulgences. 2.25 acres of ground level recreations, 1.5 acres of podium indulgence, over 1 acre of rooftop sky indulgence, which is offered first of its kind in Kalyan. Parking facility is planned for each units. The project has 4 levels of clubhouse, recreation access to swimming pools, home theater system, senior citizen area, badminton and squash court, gymnasium, yoga zone, musical studio. The project is Indian Green Building Council pre-certified gold under IGBC Green Rating Home System, where we care for the Mother Earth. One can go on, but I would like the buyers and the channel partners to first experience it and then agree that what I had shared. I thank CREDAI MCHI Kalyan Dombivli unit team for giving me this opportunity to showcase this landmark. I also feel privileged to share this space with all the great minds present here today. With season's greetings, I invite you all at Saket Group's codename Upgrade to Smart Life. Thank you.
Thank you, Saket ji, for sharing your insights. Moving ahead, we have a special guest with us this evening. Having laid the foundation on the CREDAI MCHI Kalyan Dombivli unit, Mr. Rajan Bandelkar has successfully led the Ronak Group with immense dedication. He has also served as a mentor to the CREDAI MCHI unit. Ladies and gentlemen, with a huge round of applause, welcome Mr. Rajan Bandelkar, guest of honor for this evening. Over to you, sir.
Respected dais and the people online. First of all, I would like to congratulate entire team of Kalyan MCHI KDU unit, and especially I would like to emphasize on Bandish Ajmera. Bandish is here. He can recollect on the day when he wanted to become the president. All the way he was telling, I don't want to become, let me see. So why I am telling him this is that he wouldn't have imagined in 10 years, the foundation stone which he laid on 30th May 2010, it can be so big and so vast. And it's really a feather, not only in the cap of entire Kalyan MCHI unit, but in the feather in the cap of Bandish Ajmera as well as Srikant Suture, because these two people were pioneers as president as well as secretary of then MCHI Kalyan unit. And I know that when there were so many problems, and I will tell you, all the associations come forward when you have problems. So it's good that people are changing problems into an opportunity. So I would like to emphasize and congratulate entire team for going out of the box, thinking out of the box, and thinking that everybody was thinking how you can do an exhibition. So they thought of creating a portal and doing an online exhibition. Of course, people say Corona. So today we have to learn to live with Corona. It's called that. It's the new living style of all our people, because it is not, the Corona is not there to go sooner, because till the vaccine comes, the first vaccine, where I call in home, is the first vaccine. The stopgap between a vaccine and Corona is our home. So thanks to Corona, the majority of the people who were thinking of not buying homes, they have started thinking of buying and owning their own homes. Here I would not like to forget the government of Maharashtra. They have reduced the stamp duty up to 50% in entire Maharashtra as well as up to 60% in Mumbai. And that sales we have seen in the month of September, October. Majority of the developers has taken the burden of the balance stamp duty, and that's why we are seeing each and everyone is seeing the sales. Once again, thanks to RBI also for reducing the repo rate, and that repo rate is passed on by majority of the bankers also. And you can see today the financial cost, the rate of interest on home loan is at the lowest, the pricing at lowest, and stamp duty at 0%. And it's a so-called in-between vaccine. So everyone who doesn't have a home, they are thinking of their home. I would not like to take much of the time because everybody is here waiting to hear for Karthik as well as Harshad, because these are the two eminent people who throw light on how we have to do sales as well as on legal aspects. Once again, I would like to congratulate Mohit, Srikanth and the entire team, including Vikas Jain, who is the secretary, young secretary. And also, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our everyone's mentor, Niranjan Hiranandani, as well as Deepak Garodia and Baman Irani. Thank you very much, and wish you all the best and good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajanji, for your kind words. I would also like to thank Mr. Bandish Ajmera for gracing us with his presence today and being a guiding light to MCHI Kalyan from the start. Thank you, sir, for always being there for us. Next, we have our years of experience in this room today. And our next speaker is another one with a plethora of experience in the real estate sector. The man with revolutionary ideas in verticals of sales and marketing, and have achieved great records in sales and marketing. Our keynote speaker for the evening, Shri Karthik Rajaram, founder of Xanadu Group, is here to share a few words with us on the future of real estate. Over to you, Karthik ji.
Thank you very much. Before I start, I'm going to apologize because I'm in a place where connectivity is bad. I had to travel to Delhi. Give me for that, and that's the reason why the video is also off. So before I start, I have to say hello to some of the wonderful people that I've been very privileged to work with. Some people, Niranjanji, Rajanji, Srikanth, Deepakji, Bomanji. It's a pleasure to see you all. And one thing that in my company we keep talking about is the amazing variety. And this is something which is strange because I've worked across a lot of industries, and I don't think developers get their due. And I always feel, and the sheer amount of variety that all of you handle, and we've seen, a couple of people like Niranjanji handling God knows what all. With that, Rajanji, it's fascinating, and it's a learning experience in ourselves every minute, and it's wonderful to be a part of that. And it's really an honor to be a part of this event today. It's a unique event, and it's a timely event, the launch of an online property expo, and more importantly, first of its kind, digital portal for real estate. And I think when I say that it is timely, it's actually timely on account of two parts. One is it's timely on the entire story of digital, online. In the last 7-8 months, the world has changed. And my belief is that it's never going to be the same again. COVID will be here, COVID will go, maybe newer pandemics will come, newer pandemics will go. But truly, the world has changed, and all of us have learned new skills, new things, new directions, and a lot of words that one had never heard about. Work from home was just an excuse to stay at home and not do anything. And today, work from home seems to be the most prominent way of looking at life. And it's not an easy one. It's not necessarily the most desirable way of operating, but it's a reality that we are seeing. One part that Mr. Boman Irani spoke about, the role of women, and I think that has got so fascinatingly clear as people have stayed home. They have looked at people, whether the women have been working or not working, and as consumers, it's been a great revelation to understand how the thought process works, and to there are so words that got added to our lexicon now: edtech, distance learning, a lot of tools that one thought were very expensive, self-learning. Suddenly, it's a very different world, and I think MCHI Dombivli has been able to capture that into this initiative. I think all credit to be able to think about that. I feel that it's very timely is actually on account of Kalyan Dombivli, which is truly, according to me, the newest growth center of MMR. I think that it's really fascinating. We've been looking at this market. We've seen it grow over the last 7, 8, 9 years. It's been fascinating from almost like a insular island to now a nerve center of infrastructural activities, which will definitely spur consumption of residential and office real estate. And I think that makes it very, very fascinating. So it's truly ripe on one hand, and I think we're going to see a huge consumer movement there, and I'll talk about it a bit later. But on the other hand, I think what is very fascinating about this market is that it's a hyper competitive market with pretty much most of the major developers of MMR wanting to be a part of this. So it's not an easy market in that sense. It's a fascinating market, and I think the best part about this is that the key beneficiary of this, the combination of digital, online, MCHI Mumbai Growth Center, is really the consumer, and that is the lens through which I want to spend the next 5-6 minutes on on what it really means about going digital from a consumer perspective, and what does it mean for us on the developer and the enabler side, and what does that really mean? I think the most essential aspect of going digital is that in a way we have promised transparency to the consumer. We've let the genie out of the bottle, and there is no way in which the genie is going to get back into the bottle. And I think it's very important to understand what that means. So when 250 developers are going to stand up and say, this is my product, this is my price, this is my promotion, what it does is that when the same thing is reached through across any channel, we have to stay true, which almost means that you're going to be moving into an almost MRP sort of situation, which is what I have always believed in, that consumer getting to know what he is buying at and the developer being true to that price is actually the greatest reason for more people to buy, not less. The fact that we walk into a shop and buy a Van Heusen shirt, which is costing $4,000 in a shop, is because we know that it is going to cost the same if other salesman sells it, or it's the same in a shop which is a kilometer away. And I think in a way, by digital and putting all this, we are promised to the consumer that what I am telling you is the truth. Now buy my promise. And the other part, which is silent in this, is that internet has got forget. So the promises that you make will stay inside the internet. If you're not able to hold the promise to haunt you, if you're able to hold the promise to actually help you grow. And I think that is something that developers will need to understand and factor into their entire process. Every channel needs to get optimized with the same information. And the promise and delivery of that has to become consistent. And I think that's a very large thing to the business. The other part, which is very important, is that once we have embarked upon this going digital thought, from a consumer perspective, it is not about sales and marketing. I think that becomes a very small part of the entire equation. Once you have onboarded your consumer for a journey which is digital, and I think it's important for the 200 of developers who have signed up for this initiative, is to now quickly understand that now you made the consumer taste blood, saying that I've made your life easy. He is going to experience the same ease in every aspect of life, whether it is search, transaction, enablement through housing loans, etc., registration, possession, post-possession, everything over of time, and the sooner that we can do will become digital. It's a critical, what I would call a critical Swiggy moment for the real estate industry. It's very fascinating that all of us now have become used to a thought process that if I order something on Swiggy or Zomato, I need to somebody there to pick up my food. Previously we used to order over phone and people used to deliver, and there was a period of anxiety. You were conditioned to know, that I will get my food, and it was okay. Every delay was okay. Everything was okay. No longer the same. Now the consumer expects that he's going to be a part of that entire journey. The moment you open transparency on one front, you by nature are opening transparency in every aspect of your operation, and that becomes very important from the consumer journey part of view. And you will see that some developers who take the quick route to this and become faster on this will gain the advantage. And this is going to be a consumer requirement going forward. One of the most interesting things that we have been seeing in a larger sense, not just in real estate, but across marketing of various categories, is that no longer is a consumer just interested in the what and why of things. He's more and more interested in the how of things. How are you doing it? How is this thing happening? How do the infrastructure is going to change? So the how part of it is something that all of us need to believe. We need to be able to take it to our developer partners, to our consumers. The digital platform is actually a leveling platform for between large and small developers at the start point. But once you've sort of adopted it, it is going to sort of spread very differently across different developers. So it's definitely something that everybody has to very, very seriously and work towards. Contrary to popular belief, it's also a very expensive platform at an individual level. So an initiative like MyMCHI that has been put into place is a phenomenal initiative because it sort of takes the industry forward. And I think the key to the initiative or initiative in the future will be how do you harness and the proposition of all key developers during the platform, because if everybody is going to be together, chances that we will increase the market is higher. So suddenly, I think interesting is that all of us will be talking about market share. And as marketers, we are obsessed with market share, and the reality of like real estate is that we have to focus. If we are able to get this experiment right, get all the developers to bring things together, I think we'll have a huge movement on this part, and therefore the success of this platform depend equally how well Kalyan Dombivli ecosystem is evangelized. It's really about selling Dombivli to the larger MMR and possibly the all India population that exists. And I think that is the story of how do you get more and more people to come from other places, the first time buyers, the upgraded buyers, to come into this segment, because suddenly you have a very viable, affordable, but high quality living ecosystem suddenly being made available. And I think what we saw in Thane over the last 10 years or Navi Mumbai is definitely possible here. And I think the key to knowing whether this initiative is working is truly to be able to track how much are we able to convert customers who are from other micro markets or who are actively looking at other micro markets to sort of look at their real estate purchase. I think it's a very exciting place. There's a favorite topic. I could go on and on, but it's a great journey. It's a journey that requires a lot of learning, lot of careful understanding at the MCHI level, helping all the members to sort of fine tune so that we can get the most out of it. And we're eagerly sort of seeing to how this success of this wonderful initiative works out. And like Bomanji also said that, there's a larger story to be taken. So thank you very much for having me here. Truly a pleasure. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Karthik ji. And now joining us is one of the finest legal minds in real estate. Known for his immense knowledge in the space of real estate and a force behind RERA. Our eminent speaker, welcome with a huge round of applause, Advocate Harshad Barbade.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Niranjan Bhai. Good evening, Bandish Ji Ajmera. Good evening, Boman Ji, Rajan Ji, Deepak Goradia Ji. And thank you, Mr. Shrikant Chitwe, Vikas Jain and Mohit Boyd and the team for inviting me. First of all, I congratulate you for completing 10 years and also congratulate you on this Online Property Expo 2020 and developing online portal. As we all know, in recent years, due to introduction of RERA, as was rightly said by Niranjan Bhai and Karthik during their speech, transparency is sought to be taken to next level. RERA expects all the promoters to maintain certain details on the website. This particular portal, which is being developed by MCHI, I would say would act as an extension to that portal, in as much as RERA portal gives you details about the project. And here MCHI is providing certain photographs, comparison between the projects, and also access to the prospective buyer directly with the Office of Promoter online. In today's pandemic situation, though till today even people are afraid of getting out of their houses, therefore this type of initiative by MCHI will definitely boost the property market of Kalyan Dombivli region. One of the important aspects is introduction of regulatory authority by way of MahaRERA. It will help instill confidence in the investors as well as flat purchasers. As is being discussed in this panel, the transparency which was required, along with the confidence which is now being instilled in the flat purchaser by way of registered MahaRERA projects. I've been informed that more than 150 MahaRERA registered projects are being displayed on the website launched by MCHI Kalyan Dombivli unit, which is credible. And that will give access to more people. I mean, physically visiting all these sites would be a bit difficult situation. But online comparison and also price comparison. Now that is one thing which I would like to congratulate MCHI, is that not only have they provided details of the project, but they have also given a range of cost specific of the apartments, which will help the buyer identify his budget and the project. I will not take much time. I will once again congratulate all of you and thank you everyone for inviting me. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for sharing your thoughts. On this momentous occasion of CREDA MCHI, we have some very important and special guests who have congratulatory messages to share. First up, maybe hear a few words from Shri Eknath Shindeji, Minister of Urban Development. Over to you, sir.
MCHI क्रेडाई यांच्यातर्फे दरवर्षी कल्याणमध्ये घेण्यात येणारं एक्झिबिशन याही वर्षी घेण्यात येते, परंतु कोविडची पार्श्वभूमी लक्षात घेता हे प्रत्यक्ष एक्झिबिशन न होता ऑनलाईन एक्झिबिशन या ठिकाणी होणार आहे. आणि यावर्षी MyMCHI हे नवीन पोर्टल देखील सुरू केलेलं आहे. या पोर्टलवर ग्राहकांना देखील सुवर्ण संधी प्राप्त झालेली आहे. शासनाने स्टॅम्प ड्युटी रजिस्ट्रेशन जे आहे 3% कमी केलं आहे आणि डेव्हलपर्स लोकांना देखील मुख्यमंत्री महोदयांनी आवाहन केलेलं आहे की 3% राज्य सरकारने स्टॅम्प ड्युटी रजिस्ट्रेशन कमी केलं आहे. आपणही ग्राहकांना जास्तीत जास्त सवलत दिली पाहिजे. त्याप्रमाणे डेव्हलपर्स देखील त्यांनी देखील मान्य करून ग्राहकांना स्टॅम्प ड्युटी फ्री अशा प्रकारची घरं उपलब्ध करून देण्यासाठी सहकार्य केलेलं आहे. याचा ग्राहकांनी फायदा घेतला पाहिजे. सर्वसामान्य लोकांना परवडणारी घरं मिळाली पाहिजे, यासाठी शासनाने हा मोठा निर्णय घेतलेला आहे. मी पुन्हा एकदा MCHI क्रेडाई या संस्थेला मनापासून त्यांचं अभिनंदन करतो. मोठ्या प्रमाणावर दरवर्षी हजारो लाखो लोक त्या एक्झिबिशनमध्ये भाग घेत असतात आणि खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणावर स्टॉल देखील डेव्हलपर्स लावत असतात आणि चांगल्या प्रतीचं घर, परवडणारं घर त्या माध्यमातून ग्राहकांना मिळत होतं. याही वर्षी ते तसंच मिळणार आहे, फक्त ऑनलाईन पद्धतीने हे एक्झिबिशन होणार आहे. त्यामुळे मी पुन्हा एकदा MCHI क्रेडाईच्या सर्व पदाधिकाऱ्यांचं मनापासून अभिनंदन करतो. शहराच्या विकासात देखील आपला हातभार लागला पाहिजे. आपल्याला ज्या ज्या काही अडचणी असतील त्या देखील राज्य सरकारच्या वतीने पालकमंत्री म्हणून मी आपल्याला ग्वाही देतो. या ठिकाणी उड्डाणपूल असतील, रस्ते असतील, मेट्रो असेल, पाणी योजना असेल, असे अनेक प्रकारचे नवीन नवीन उपक्रम आपण कल्याण डोंबिवली महापालिकेमध्ये देतोय आणि त्याचा देखील नक्कीच आपल्या सगळ्यांना फायदा होईल.
Thank you, sir, for the warm wishes. A force to reckon with when it comes to housing and real estate. Let us hear it from the man himself, Shri Jitendra Awad, Minister of Housing.
कल्याण डोंबिवली MCHI, महाराष्ट्र हाऊसिंग चेंबर ऑफ हाऊसिंग इंडस्ट्री यांच्या कल्याण डोंबिवली भागाने एक अभिनव उपक्रमाद्वारे प्रदर्शन भरवलं आहे. साधारण 150 बिल्डिंग म्हणजे व्यावसायिक त्यात त्यांचा समावेश झालेला आहे. हे व्हर्च्युअल आहे. आता कोरोनाच्या काळामध्ये एक्झिबिशन भरवणं, लोकांना एकत्र आणणं हे अशक्य आहे, पण तरी देखील सध्याची मार्केट व्यवस्था बघता आणि मार्केटमध्ये थोडीशी उभारी आलेली, त्याचा फायदा घेण्यासाठी म्हणून कल्याण डोंबिवलीमधले सगळे व्यावसायिक एकत्र आले आणि MCHIच्या झेंड्याखाली ते हा उपक्रम राबवत आहेत. माझ्या अंदाजाने भारतातला हा पहिलाच उपक्रम आहे. गृहनिर्माण मंत्री म्हणून जिथे जिथे गरज लागेल तिथे तिथे MCHIला मदत करणं हे आमचं परम कर्तव्य आहे. कारण जर बिल्डिंग व्यवसाय सुधारला तर याचा अर्थ महाराष्ट्राची अर्थव्यवस्था सुधारते असं म्हणायला काही हरकत नाही. ही अर्थव्यवस्था सुधारण्यासाठी या उपक्रमाचा फायदा होईल याची मला खात्री आहे. कल्याण डोंबिवलीचे चॅप्टर ऑफ महाराष्ट्र हाऊसिंग चेंबर ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीजच्या MCHI च्या सर्व सहभागी व्यावसायिकांना माझ्या शुभेच्छा.
Thank you, sir, for the warm wishes. Next up is the man of few words but great actions. May we hear a few words from Shri Bhushan Gagrani, Urban Development Secretary.
नमस्कार. MCHI आणि क्रेडाई यांच्यामार्फत कल्याणला दरवर्षीप्रमाणे प्रदर्शन घेण्यात येणार आहे. यावर्षी विशिष्ट पार्श्वभूमी असल्यामुळे हे प्रदर्शन प्रत्यक्ष होणार नाही, पण घरबांधणीच्या बाबतीत आणि एकंदरच या क्षेत्रामध्ये जी काही गेल्या काही दिवसामध्ये प्रोत्साहनात्मक पावलं उचलल्यामुळे शासनाने थोडीफार तेजी निर्माण झालेली आहे. या सर्वांचा विचार करता हे जे प्रदर्शन घेण्यात आलेलं आहे याला मी मनापासून शुभेच्छा देतो. आपल्याला कल्पना आहे की MCHI क्रेडाई हे या क्षेत्रातील अडचणी मांडण्याबाबत, त्याचप्रमाणे शासन स्तरावरती काही धोरणात्मक बदल करायचे असतील तर ते करण्यासाठी नेहमीच पुढाकार घेत असतं. त्याचप्रमाणे शासनाचा जो काही उद्देश असेल तो लोकांच्यापर्यंत जास्तीत जास्त प्रभावीपणे पोचावा आणि सर्वांसाठी आणि सर्वसामान्यांसाठी घर निर्माण व्हावं, ही जी शासनाची कल्पना आहे ती साकार करण्यामध्ये सर्व विकासकांचा नेहमी सहभाग राहिलेला आहे. आणि अशा प्रदर्शनाच्या माध्यमातून लोकांच्यापर्यंत जास्तीत जास्त गृहनिर्माण योजना पोचतील, शासनाने दिलेल्या सवलती असतील किंवा बँकाच्या मार्फत देण्यात येणारी कर्ज असतील त्याची माहिती असेल, ही सर्व माहिती ग्राहकांच्यापर्यंत प्रभावीपणे पोहोचेल. त्यांना स्वतः चांगल्या संस्थांची निवड करता येईल, चांगल्या विकासकांची निवड करता येईल आणि प्रत्येक माणसाचे जे आयुष्यभराचं स्वप्न असतं की त्याला एक राहण्यासाठी चांगलं दर्जेदार सुविधा असणारं घर पाहिजे, हे स्वप्न पूर्ण होण्यासाठी मला वाटतं अशा पद्धतीच्या माध्यमातून नक्कीच मदत होणार आहे, उपयोग होणार आहे. मी पुन्हा एक वार या प्रदर्शनाच्या निमित्तानं सर्वांना शुभेच्छा देतो आणि सर्वांसाठी घर हे स्वप्न पूर्ण करण्यासाठी आपण सर्वजण सहभागी व्हावं हे या निमित्तानं मी सर्वांना आवाहन करतो. धन्यवाद.
Dhanyawad, sir. Next up is someone who keeps his eye out for everyone in the industry, who helps drive reforms for both the developers and the buyers. Let us hear it from Mr. S.V.R. Srinivas, Housing Secretary.
कल्याण डोंबिवली शहराचा हे जे प्रॉपर्टी एक्झिबिशन होत आहे त्यांचा सर्व ऑर्गनायझर्सना मी मनापासून अभिनंदन करतो आणि शुभेच्छा देतो. आणि सध्या हाऊसिंग सेक्टरमध्ये बरेचसे अडचणी आहेत आणि अडचणी सोडवण्यासाठी महाराष्ट्र शासनाने बरेचसे पाऊल उचललेले आहेत. त्याच्यापैकी एक महत्त्वाचं म्हटलं तर एक स्टॅम्प ड्युटीचा एक मोठे सवलत महाराष्ट्र शासनाने दिलेले आहेत. त्यांचा फायदा काही महिन्यापर्यंत असल्यामुळे आणि इंडिफिनिट नसल्यामुळे सर्वांनी त्यांचा फायदा घ्यायला पाहिजे असं मला वाटतं. तसेच हे जो एक्झिबिशन आहे त्याच्यामधून त्याच्या माध्यमातून महाराष्ट्र शासनाने जो पावलं उचललेलं आहे, उदाहरणार्थ आता फॉर एक्झाम्पल आम्ही सेस बिल्डिंगचा मुंबईचा काही निर्णय घेतलेले आहेत, महत्त्वाचा निर्णय शासनाने घेतलेला आहे. तसेच SRAच्या संदर्भातसुद्धा काही निर्णय घेतलेले आहेत. खास करून MMR रिजनसाठी इन्क्लुडिंग कल्याण डोंबिवलीमध्येसुद्धा SRA लागू केलेले आहेत सेपरेट. त्यांचं नोटिफिकेशन पण आलेले आहेत. असा क्रांतिकारक निर्णय काही घेतलेले आहेत. त्यांच्या मार्फत या एक्झिबिशनमार्फत सर्व नागरिकांना यांचा माहिती मिळेल असं मला खात्री आहे. आणि सदर एक्झिबिशनला माझा सर्व ऑर्गनायझर्सना माझा शुभेच्छा आहे. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, sir, for the warm wishes. Yours wishing the team at CREDA MCHI Kalyan Dombivli unit all the best for mymchi.com and the Digital Property Expo. And now, even though we are connected virtually, we have managed to bring together all the stallions of the MMR Kalyan Dombivli region here tonight. And now, inviting them on a quick panel, help me with a round of applause as I welcome Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani, Shri Deepak Goradia, Shri Baman Irani, Shri Karthik Rajaram, Advocate Harshad Barbade, Shri Rajan Bandelkar. Thank you, gentlemen, for joining us this evening. I'm going to keep it very crisp and get quick views from all you on MMR Kalyan Dombivli region. Starting with you, Deepak sir and Niranjan sir. What can you suggest for demand creation of homes in MMR region? Can we start with Niranjan sir?
I think it's giving out to the people to use the digital media or social media more effectively in order to bring about the advantages that are there in terms of what you are able to give. So what are the facilities? What are the train services? What is the banking facilities? As Karthik correctly put it, the more information that you give, which is right, and communicate to them would be very useful. So the most important thing, I think, is to bring about transparency in what you have to offer and explain all the infrastructure which is available to you in Kalyan Dombivli area and the benefits that they would have. propagate it through all possible media that you can have. And I think it will bring about a new virtual understanding of people. The young buyers are now on the virtual world, so social media will become very important.
I think Deepak sir is low on network. We'll skip on to the next question. How do you perceive affordable housing versus luxury housing in KDU region? To Baman sir.
So first of all, I just want to say, very important to all you developers out there in the KDU region, stay united. Sell KDU. Don't sell your individual projects. The first thing that you need to do is come together and tell the whole world in each and every advertisement, each and every news item that you speak about, please speak about how good your region is. When there are buyers walking in over there, there'll be buyers for everybody. Stop competing. The market is very, very large. You do not need to be eating into each other's market share. You just need to bring more and more people to that region. So that is the first thing. Transparency already has been spoken about by Niranjan Bhai. I cannot tell you how important it is. Karthik brushed it, touched upon it. It is one of the most important ingredients. We find it difficult to answer our customers, but please believe me, when you go to buy a car or you go to buy anything that is even a few lakhs worth, you're asking more questions and the guy at the other end is answering them all beautifully. He gives you a full manual that tells you from the smallest screw in the car to the paint, to the care, to everything that has been provided. So I think we need to learn from that. Now with regards to affordability, Kalyan Dombivli is an affordable region and I pray it stays so. Do not get caught up in these rising winds that will say, okay, fine, let's start increasing our prices even more and more to swell our profits. We do not make profits by trying to get a profit margin per unit. We get profits by keeping our volumes large. Keep your volumes in focus. Try and stay there. Affordable housing is the backbone or the driving force of our business. Stay true to the affordable tag. Everything that you do should be affordable, yet reliable. And most importantly, luxury will follow in small pockets. There will be people who will never want to leave that space. I would, for one, love to enter that market if you guys, would like to have Rustamji out there. But believe me, if there was one thing I would do, it would be affordable, staying true to it, and giving my customer this value for money for a very long time.
Thank you for your words. Next is the question to Mr. Karthik Ji and Mr. Rajan Ji. We all want to know, kindly give us the sales mantra for developers in this region, sir. Over to Karthik Ji first.
I think everybody's enforcing it at this point of time. How well we can work to create a much larger impact is going to be very important. It's a common promise that needs to be held out. But I think also important is that how are this set of developers seen as being different? What is the promise? And what you were saying is very interesting. Real estate actually, it's like a bridge. There is no half crossing it. Only game is to complete that entire journey, from inception to last mile delivery. And I think if you're able to do that, that set of people are obviously going to get more value for the promises made and delivered. And then the second thing, which most people on this group understand and sort of hold true, is really the brand. How true is the brand? What does it promise? Does it stay close to what it's promising? You don't need to promise a lot, but whatever you are promising, are you able to deliver that in the time? I think those become, the veritable integrity of what you are saying. And I think in the recent past, the US election has been a great inspiration in that sense to learn about how to plan and how to take it, how to have one uniform message and constantly go after that. Rest, Rajanji can answer.
Over to Rajan, sir.
Yeah, see, basic I will tell you, in each and every business, customer is king. First, treat your customer as king. The time has come. Today is buyer's market. So let's give him due respect. Second, RERA has bought transparency, but let's all be on our own. Let's be very, very, very transparent. Third is that we are all developers are tabooed with delivery because we tell one date of delivery. So let's follow the pattern. Once we give the delivery dates, so let's try and do the delivery before that. So even if you do premature delivery, here nothing is going to happen. On the contrary, the credit will be more to developer. Third and the last one, what Karthik has told, promise only what you can deliver. We always tend to overcommit and overpromise. Don't do that. That's the basic mantra. Thank you.
Thank you. And my last question is to Advocate Harshad Barbare. So lately there has been a few possessions being delayed due to the authorities in giving sanctions like OC, NOC, water connections, etc. How do you think the builders can get exemption from any kind of punishments and penalties, and how can the authorities be held responsible for the same by RERA authorities?
So, well, as of now, RERA doesn't provide, to be very honest, doesn't provide any remedy against public authorities that the promoter can approach the authority and, seek any redressal of the problems in getting sanctions. In few cases, though, authority have issued notices, rather RERA authority has issued notices to the sanctioning authorities seeking explanation as to why a particular permission is not being given or what was the reason behind not getting the permissions. However, as of now, we can't go to RERA and file a complaint seeking redressal of the problems regarding getting permissions.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot to our panel for joining us this evening. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of the launch of this evening of mymchi.com portal and the Digital Property Expo. But there is one thing that is missing, a moment for us, for all to come, get together and take this together ahead for major success. Thank you. And that's it from my side. Thanks again. Thank you all.